When you see the confusion in the political space, the disorganization in the political arena, it is because a new thing is happening and people cannot comprehend it and people cannot understand it. We have said we are changing the conversation, we are changing the politics of our nation away from ethnicity, away from changing the constitution so that us as leaders can share positions, share power, and do things that benefit us. And we are moving the conversation to ordinary people, changing the economy so that we can create jobs, so that we can create opportunity, so that we can create enterprise, so that we can create productivity for our farmers and pastoralists and dairy farmers. We are changing the conversation, and that is why the traditional politicians are having a problem. They don't know how to organize themselves. They've known to organize themselves around tribes, around power, around positions. Now we are telling them, no, we need to organize ourselves around the people, around the economy, around opportunity, and around empowerment. That is the change in conversation that is causing confusion in the political arena. Mkisoma gazeti ya leo, all the newspapers today wanasema kuna hali ya taharuki kule kwa kiwanja. Watu hawajui ni left, sijui ni right, sijui tuungane na hawa, sijui tuungane na wale. In short, Kimeumana.